really different about Shure's approach is that our new MXA920, which is the flagship of our ceiling array microphones, one of the benefits is we can export those locations in X, Y, and Z, which is going to give you a much more accurate location of the talker's mouth in real time. And now that we're part of Q-SYS partner program through their ACPR, set up an installation of the MXA920 with these camera systems has never been easier or more effective. We've got essentially three now in-ceiling arrays, the 901, the 902, and the MXA920. The easiest way to differentiate is the 901 is for your smaller rooms where you have external loudspeakers already in the room. The 902 is going to be for your small to medium-sized rooms when you want to bring the loudspeaker with it. It's a single port, single cable installation. So the 901 and the 902 are going to be for our small to medium-sized rooms. The 920 is going to be our premium product that we put into our larger format rooms where we're going to be maybe using more than one device. Perhaps we're going to integrate with a more complicated DSP. Maybe there's more devices in the room. The 920 is the flagship. My problem is I want to sell 920s in every room because they're a little too easy. And then I sell the other devices when I can't sell the MXA 920. But having that flexibility now allows for room types that we haven't been able to use in the past. And the flexibility is just unprecedented in the industry to be able to do all this stuff on the network and have quick automatic coverage that allows all participants to be covered in the room equitably and fairly for everyone. The MXW Next 2 is incredible. First update to the MXW range in 13 years. It's got your DSP, your antenna, your charger. Everything is built into one base. We have the option of the MXW1 body pack, which you can put a lav on. We can do handhelds in 4 different variants, or we can do boundary mics in black or white, in Omni or cardioid. And we just set the device we want to use, the transmitter we want to use, into the MXW Next base. We hit blink, and that's our active microphone. So if we bought 2 handhelds and 2 lavs, we can change those for multiple meetings with very little intentional setup. It's quick on the go, whatever we need to do to make sure those rooms are covered and clear and the channels are open. Because we don't need to worry about any kind of frequency coordination on MXW, it is literally plug and play with USB output. So we can take that signal directly into any digital device now using USB. Well, I think Shure works really hard in making sure our products are easy to use and integrate well with our partners. So this is what's really going to help us work well in higher ed. We know that teachers have enough to worry about without having to become experts on AV equipment. And products like the MXW Next 2 that are plug and play, USB output, super easy setup. This is really going to free up time for teachers to focus on what they should be doing and know that their audio equipment is just going to work. The MXW Next 2 system you would bring out into the room, plug it in, select your transmitter, plug the USB input to a laptop or the in-room PC, and that would have your classroom covered. I can't think of a solution that would be easier than the MXW Next 2 for our higher ed customers. Right now, we're using AI in our AI Denoiser. So this is part of the software solution, our IMX Room software. There's a downloadable software. You can actually get a free trial from our website, a free 90-day trial. You download it, and there's an AI denoiser built into that product that will listen for and squash any pen clicking, keyboard typing, potato chip bags, that kind of thing. There's a full database that the AI has access to that knows these are not speech sounds. So they get removed completely from our conversations during the call. And this all happens live. So we haven't fully unlocked what AI is going to be able to do for the audio industry, but we're starting. And we're using it in our denoiser, and who knows where it will go from here. I am a humble market development guy, not a product development person. So hopefully down the road, we'll see more and more inclusion of that AR software in our products. Well, I think Shure has always really respected our clients' privacy on the network. Using Shure audio encryption, it follows the AES 256 protocol. to keep everything safe and secure on the network between Shure devices. We know particularly insurance companies, banks, government agencies cannot risk any of that information being exposed. Our newest products now are including 802.1x, which will allow for much even easier installation of these products on the network to ensure that everything is safe and encrypted. But we will continue to use that AES 256 encryption in our Shure network encryption to make sure that we don't have to worry about anyone pilfering things off the network. So again, Shure audio encryption keeps everything safe, and it is AES 256 based.